So following on from the previous video, we wanted to know how to work out the arc length of this ellipse. We wanted to know the circumference of this ellipse. Well, the circumference is given by 4b times this function. Well, we don't know how to integrate this, so we would turn this into a series. We would turn it into a series, and then from a series we would then integrate it to give us this thing here. So in order to turn this into a series, we wanted to turn just this bit here into a series, and then we can integrate. So turning this into a series would then give us this, would then give us this, would then give us well, turning this into a series would then give us this, and this is where we got to in the last video. So now you can integrate both sides. So integrate this dt, and then integrate this dt from 0 to pi over 2, from 0 to pi over 2. Well, integrating this whole thing here, would then give us this, because if you look at this, so here you've got a summation, and then you've got this sine t thing in here, and then remember you're integrating it with respect to t. So you've got a summation combined with this 3t, but as it turns out, this whole thing here becomes this whole thing here, because the integrator 1, that will then give you this bit. Well, this whole thing here becomes this. So it's kind of weird. You've got this block, and then you've got your integral here. So let's try and understand what's going on here. From here, that then takes us to here. But let's try and understand this. So when you look at this, when you're trying to understand this, imagine it as being like this. You've got a summation here, and then you've got your sine of t. So that then really gives us this. So you can imagine this as being this. So when you integrate it, you can just imagine. Well, you can just concentrate on integrating this, and the rest is just the rest are just coefficients. So you can just imagine this as being one block and one block. Well, think about it from here. Well, if you integrate it, it will then give you this thing here. So you're integrating from 0 to pi over 2. You're integrating. So when you integrate this one, it gives you this t from 0 to pi over 2. Well, put pi over 2 in here. Take away 0 here. That will then give you 2 pi, and then you've got your complicated coefficients here. So that will be here, and then now we need to concentrate on this. Well, in order to evaluate this, we need to use the reduction formula. So we are going to spend a long time trying to understand this, and then we can come back to this point here. So now we're going to spend several videos to try and understand this block here, because we need to use the reduction formula for this. Yeah, I'll continue in the next video. So we're going to spend a long time trying to understand this block here, and then we will come back to this stage. Okay.